Hi friends, I am Tilak and you are watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we are going to see how to do hanging intent on your Google Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. To create the hanging intent, you just first open a document, any document with a paragraph. So I'm just going to open a document here. I'm just going to open a letter. So after opening the letter, I'm just going to select the which paragraph should be created as a hanging intent. Just select it, then go to the you can see a lot of options here, but you go to the format option here, then click on this font and click on the induction caption, and here you just click on the special indent to the hanging. Then you can see the paragraph is changes to the hanging indent. If you want to select every paragraph to be a hanging indent, to change the hanging indent, just select everything, then go to the format option here, then go to the align and go to the special caption, indication caption, and here you just want to changes the special indent to the caption. You can create the size of the hanging indent to the spacing. So you can also to change those, you just you can use the Ctrl Z option, undo option, or else you just select the whole which part that you want to change. Just go here, then go to the same option here, and now you just change the portion to its normal value, or you can see the sizes of the hanging indent can be changed. If you want to create it as normal, you just go here and change the value as 0, then automatically it will changes to the normal paragraph, or you can also click as none. So by this option. Friends, if you find this video more informative, just follow this channel, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. And if you want more content about Google Docs PC, just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.